Hi everyone, this is the Best Family Outdoor Show, and today we're doing a walkthrough of the 2023 Flair Modest Class A Motorhome.
Alright, here's a big Class A RV. There's a rear kitchen. Cupboard, sink, another cupboard, microwave, and a mini fridge. Nice.
Wow.
It's on top of the big awning, so you can technically extend it, walk out that door, walk in the edge.
Yeah.
And over
Big
here,
TV.
Big TV for when you're on the campfire and want to watch TV, I guess. I don't need that, but it's there if you need it. Big giant hinge that closes. Look at the storage compartments. Oh, that is a propane tank. That's where you would fill it. That's another compartment. You have this, and I assume this is where you put your batteries, because the inverter's right there, but maybe not, because this is a Class A, so they must have a compartment for it. That's a foot compartment. I'm not sure what this is for, but that's where the passenger would have their feet. Why would they have this?
Just to have light on your feet.
Maybe. Look. There's a side camera. Blind spot camera.
Oh.
It's the 7.3 diesel. We had an RV with this engine, actually. Here's one. You got your LED lights. That's some projectiles. So this is the slide out. You got a compartment here, compartment there. Outdoor shower. Heater in the back. Fill. City water back there. Leveling. Huge exhaust. Yeah, quite nice. Step on in. Oh, wow, this is huge. Now this is an RV on wheels. Look at the front. You got 3 giant cup holders. Got a big center area. Got 2 USB ports on the side, 1 for each. Got a generator, radio, center console. Got a really big seat here to drive. It looks like a standard Ford though, steering wheel wise. Got cabinets up there. Got a light switch and a big giant dash, so you can technically watch a movie there and drive for the passenger.
I thought you're not allowed to.
The passenger can. It doesn't matter what the passenger does. Yeah, there's a big cup holder.
Look, I think this is a bed.
Maybe. There's a cup holder right here too. Look, cup holder right here.
Where? Oh, cool.
A big one. You got your electronic leveling in the front. So all the panels look to be in the front. USB port, USB port, USB port, USB port. Wow. The difference is these are quick chargers.
Look, yeah, this is a bed, I think. Look, honey. You can pull it down.
On, down.
Yeah.
Nice.
Whoa, nice.
Okay, I'm going to hit the chair soon. I'm not sure how low it goes.
I think you can put it all away.
I think so. These chairs maybe move. I don't know.
Yeah. Wow, that's cool. This whole thing goes down, as you can see, the railings are right there.
Yeah. These curtains go down. Those curtains go down. Those curtains go down.
Oh, yeah. That's nice.
All right, so this is what I'm talking about. It goes down like that all around, okay? But you just simply pull like that. It's right here. You see the track?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah,
It's
so
a
this
bed.
comes down and there's a bed on top. Wow.
I've never seen that
There's
before.
there's a couch here.
Mm-hmm.
There's a couch here. So you're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like a Class C 28-footer.
Ooh, 9. Yeah, that's good.
Come here, back again, please. We have a panel here. It's pretty standard. You got full, 3/4, half. You got your fresh, gray, black, propane, main, and auxiliary batteries. main and auxiliary batteries. You have your propane heater, electric heater for water, pump, auxiliary battery on and off, and generator. And you have your Cummins Onan generator right there. On, auto gen, set and enter. It's basic stuff. And what's down here? Oh, antenna on and off. That's pretty standard stuff. Okay. You got a big TV in the corner next to this dinette. It goes down and turns to a bed. You got your kitchen, which is nice. And this one has a small slide, right? So when you're driving,
it's not a small slide. It's a whole slide from there to
no,
there.
I mean this way. This way.
Okay.
When this comes in, this will go to about here, meaning you have a little aisle to go to the washroom when you're driving. So you got big giant drawers here. I'm not a fan of the glass because that's trouble. Microwave. Someone stole the glass. Maybe. It seems to be like the recurring theme here. All the stoves are done like this, all the new ones. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of it because when you drive, these rattle a lot. I don't know if this will eventually rattle the glass away because this is very common.
Really? Isn't that a bad design then?
I don't know if it will rattle or not, but I'm just saying. I've experienced a lot of rattling when I'm driving. So that's a standard stove, Dometic. Here is the fridge. We've seen this many times now. The new style Dometic fridge. And a big giant microwave. Huge one. Alright, stepping to the other side. Kitchen's over there. Washroom, you got your sliding shower door. Pretty nice.
That's nice. I like that.
You got your toilet, plugs, mirror, and a vent. So master bedroom. A whole complete walk around. Like so. Pretty skinny, but you can do it. Doors up there, big ones. You got two big giant cabinets here. Gigantic cabinets. You got your ladder here that goes in the front for that bed.
Oh, another TV?
TV. You can sleep and watch.
Oh, yeah.
There's
Oh, look.
two USB ports and a plug here.
This is a slide, so for privacy. Oh, it's pretty good. What? There's a little hole there. Nice. The radio can be controlled.
Yeah.
Okay.
Apart from that, that's the inside. Why do I feel that there's a table there?
Probably a table there.
Because that's meant for a stick.
Yeah.
Alright folks, hope you enjoyed this video. Before we end off, I want to show you that this is the 2023 Flair 29M by Fleetwood. It's $184,980 Canadian, or bi-weekly $712. Weight, 18,000 pounds. Sleeps 8. I really hope you enjoyed this video because this is an expensive A-class RV. If you're looking for something like this, I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. In the meantime, go to my channel and check out my other videos because I have a lot more RV videos for you to see. Alright? So check them out, chill, have fun, and relax. Peace out.